Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can use this water hose on Grow a Garden. So it is a new item, not really new, it's like on admin abuse events. So you get the hose and you can kind of I'm trying to find the word in English, sorry. You're just going to put it near your plants here. You're going to pour it near your plants and it's going to give the wet mutation to your plants. You're going to direct it to your plants, sorry. And then your plants will get the wet mutation like this, as you can see. I really want my maple resin. I think it already has the wet mutation, so I'm just going to go around. It can also make plants grow faster here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.